We just bought a property and wanted to reduce our energy costs and do the right thing for the environment. So I looked at options. I looked at various options for energy saving, and solar panels seem to make the most sense because we're living in the Costa del Sol and it's sunny most days, and so we felt that solar panels would be a good investment. And yeah, it was really a choice to put the solar panels on to save the cost on the energy, but also we'd bought a car, a hybrid car, and I wanted to be able to charge the car using the solar energy as well. So I looked at several companies. I looked at a number of companies that are offering solar panels. There were two reasons I chose Ubora. Actually, I was recommended Ubora by a friend of ours who'd had a very good service. So a friend of my daughter's, it's her parents. They'd put solar panels in. They were really happy with the service, really happy with the panels. And the second reason was the quality of the product. So when I researched a little bit, I realised there's some differences in the panels, and that actually the glass on glass panels are really important. And Ubora was very clear that they offer the glass panels that will last longer, have a longer guarantee. So it was really a combination of service and the quality of the product. Oh, it was actually a very easy installation. It was done in a couple of days. I think really 2 days it took. We've got 18 panels on 2 different parts of the roof. Yeah, it was they arrived, everything came in one go. All the panels were sitting ready to go on the roof, and I was quite surprised how fast it was actually to get the panels up on the roof and then set up and all the electrical installation done. I think it was 2 days in total. Hugely, yeah. We've noticed a big change. I think I mentioned we bought the house, so we didn't have much history here before the solar panels were installed. But in comparison, we were renting a house of the same size, and I've seen a huge difference. As much as somewhere between 100 and 200 euros a month, we've seen a change in how much we pay for electricity, especially since there's been a lot of rises in electricity recently. So, and of course, we're able to charge the car during the sunlight, during the daylight with the sun, and that makes a big difference as well. I would, yeah. No, I regularly tell people that I've had such a good experience with the solar panels that they should consider it, because I know there's a little bit of cost up front, but I say it's really important that you look at the longer term and that you see the savings you can make. And I'm always telling people they should have solar panels and a hybrid or an electric car, but maybe that's too much for some people. But yeah, it's the way forward.